What is up, YouTube? Welcome to the new video. Today, new POV from German Autobahn. At the moment 1 p.m, so should be good. Should be a good run. But now it's already 120. I have to brake here. I have to brake here. At the moment, there's the European Soccer Championship in Germany. So there are a lot of cars from other countries, UK, because England is still in the championship. But also a lot of other cars. It's nice to see. Of course, it's crowded on the Autobahn, but yeah, it's nice to see other countries. Yeah. And you have the possibility on German Autobahn to drive fast. No other country have this possibility. Of course, it's because German car manufacturers. That's why you can drive here on German Autobahn. Sometimes unlimited, if it's free, of course. And then you have to really watch out. But I enjoy it. I love it. You can comment how you see this. But this is a really big advantage if you are a car guy. A lot of Austrian guys like OG Schäfchen, I love his content, I love his videos, but he has to drive the German Autobahn from Austria, which I think it takes him 1 hour or so. I don't know. But now the best sign is coming. Oh god. Now everyone wants to take over the trucks. Really have to be careful. And you don't see it in the videos, but I'm always looking at the mirrors. Yeah, on the side mirrors, back mirror. I'm always looking and analyzing if I'm driving fast. Don't think I am driving like yeah, like normal. No, I analyze all the time the windows. If someone is back at me in the front, you have to drive like that if you drive fast. So here's unlimited, but you can't drive because someone with 130, 50, 60, okay, is blocking. Yeah, now it's over. We have to also understand sometimes other cars can't drive more than 130, 40, because then everything is shaking and then you can't drive properly. Of course, with a BMW, it is made for the German Autobahn, it is made for German country roads. But in other cars, like this Kia or so, it's not possible. I had, when I was 18, my first car, which I drove, was a Smart 2-seat. Yeah, and then with that on the German Autobahn, it was the worst nightmare. It was unsafe, and if a truck driver or Larry like this who would take over you, it was horrible. It was really horrible. It was shaking everything. Now he's blocking this. See, 130. He's driving 130 on the left, and this is now he can make space, but he doesn't. So yeah. Okay, this is a man of honor. woman. Oh man. Oh. This is shit. Yeah, sometimes you have to accept it. Sometimes it pisses me really off, but today, good weather. I'm in a good mood. So it's fine. Okay, here I have to be careful because a lot of people want to go on left. And now it's 120, so if you are watching this video and you are not a follower yet, please subscribe to the channel. That would be really nice of you, because I want to do more content in future, other content like I also want to do a review of this car actually, but I have to write a script, you know, because I don't just want to talk random about some topics. I drove this car now, I think 32,000 kilometers in 10 or 11 months, so almost 1 year, 33,000 kilometers it will be. So it's a lot for a car, it's a lot, it's a huge amount. And now I can make a proper review because I know the advantages, the disadvantages of this car. But let's see. Also other content of other cars. The plan is to drive with E46, so to do POVs with E46, with Golf GTI, Golf 7 GTI. It has more horsepower than this car. This car is a 2-liter diesel, which is pretty fine, to be honest. It has twin turbo, and of course if you put into the gas till 3000 RPM it's fine, you really have the speed. But then of course after 3000 RPM diesel, yeah, it's not a high RPM engine, but it's really good. And Golf GTI has, like the one which I want to drive, 220 horsepower, so 30 more than this. This one has xDrive, which is pretty good, pretty safe. I think the Golf has front wheel, so we will check. Looking forward for this kind of POVs. Hope you enjoy it as well. If I'm talking, or sometimes I am in the mood just to drive, no talking, you know, then it's therapy only. But sometimes I want to talk with you guys. Someone is watching the videos, which is the best thing for someone like me. So thank you for that. I have to drive by car either way, yeah, nevertheless. So why not filming it, talking with you about random stuff. It's like a podcast for you, but only in a car and only with me. Maybe sometime I can ask my girlfriend if she wants to participate. Let's see. also like to drive on Autopilot sometimes. Like if it's not unlimited. But this is not good. If everyone would have an autopilot feature in his car, then there would be no traffic jams, because traffic jams are created by slow cars, and other cars have to stop, put in the brakes, and because there are so many cars, then there is a traffic jam. Good weather, it's nice to see. The weekend was bad, pretty bad. Raining, cold, but now it looks like summer. 26 Celsius. Unfortunately, I have to work a lot, so no time to relax at the sea also. Actually, on my road here, which I drive, there are a lot of company cars of Porsche. So you see a lot of Porsche, Mercedes, because it's everything here in the environment, in this area. And then even with BMW, you have this feeling you have a bad car, yeah, with AMG, Porsche GTR 3S and stuff like this. If you see this, poof. This will be a nice POV. Also, I want to make a video about how to record POVs. Some of you asked, I promised the video, and I promised the video will come. I just want to, like, I love to film POVs, that's why I'm filming a lot POVs. I'm driving a lot. Also, I got my bike license now, but I think I will not buy a bike. I'm thinking of buying a cabrio, convertible. But this is only a desire which I have in my mind. Let's see how I can manage it. But POVs in a convertible cabrio, what do you think, guys? Or is it not good because of because you can't have a proper sound then? sometimes it's so funny, like really weird situations are happening in traffic, and then this is the moment where I'm not filming it. I hate it. I do so many POVs, and then when I don't have the camera with me, strange things are happening. Or not strange, but also very interesting things where, I don't know, cool cars, weird behavior of the car driver. Have topics which I can talk about, like general stuff, personal stuff, about Germany, about cars, you can write it in the comment if you like, and then we can have a podcast in car and talk about it. Why not? I have not seen this somewhere on YouTube, this kind of video podcast content, but for now I think I will stop the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a lovely day. See you. Cheers.